You have been looking for the way how to whiten your teeth, guys. In this video, you're going to learn how to use baking soda. Just baking soda in order to make your teeth brighter. If you have a yellowish teeth, you're looking for the way how to whiten your teeth, just watch this video at the end, because I'm going to show you how to use baking soda in order to whiten your teeth. Okay? Because right now I'm in my bathroom. This is my bathroom. This is where I brush my teeth from. So I'm going to use this baking soda to brush my teeth. But how? Watch the video up the end, guys. And if this is your first time watching a video from Coach Uganda, guys, why not subscribe right now, like this video, and of course invite your friends to this YouTube channel. You need this for teeth whitening. So right now, let me brush my teeth. But before I brush my teeth, first do like this. So guys, welcome back. Right now, what you're going to do after getting your baking soda, I want you to get a little amount from your baking soda, okay? I'm going to get a little amount from my baking soda. And from that, what you're going to do, my dear friends, this is my toothbrush, guys, to first make your toothbrush wet. Okay? This is water. You see, guys? This is water. From that, what you're going to do is to insert your toothbrush into baking soda like this. You're going to brush your teeth, but make sure that when you're brushing your teeth, brush gently, slowly and gently. Don't rush. You just brush your teeth at least for 3 minutes. When you're brushing your teeth, don't rush. Do it slowly. Okay? But I'm requesting you. In fact, first look at my teeth. You see? Very white. But just because I've used baking soda. Very cheap, not expensive. It can be found everywhere. You can find it everywhere. So get yourself baking soda, put it in your house, put it in your room, because baking soda can make wonders. Look, baking soda make wonders, guys. Okay? But I told you, when you're brushing, minimum 3 minutes, don't rush. Okay? But I'm requesting you can brush your teeth Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, anytime. This only baking soda with water can make wonders. So guys, get yourself baking soda. I'm not paid to do such a video, but because I always share with you interesting home remedies. So today's remedy is baking soda. Get yourself baking soda, whiten your teeth. I'm requesting you, if you have liked this video, please give it a like, comment on this video, and of course, why not follow me for more.